Electrical Machine 2, subject code EX501. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about how DC machine works as generator and motor, which we call generator mode or motor mode. When the DC machine operates as a generator, the EMF and the current in a conductor are in the same direction. This is shown in the given figure. Here it is shown that the two-pole DC generator in which the armature is rotating in anti-clockwise direction, the generated EMFs are indicated by crosses and dots below the circles in the slots. For assumed anti-clockwise rotation, south and north poles indicated on the rotor must be created by the armature currents. This magnetic polarity demands the current direction in the conductors to be indicated by crosses under south pole and by dots under north pole. Current directions in the slots are indicated by crosses and dots within the circle. This shows that the generated EMF and currents in the conductor are in the same direction for a DC machine working as a generator. This figure shows motoring mode of operation of DC machine. Direction of currents in the armature conductors is indicated by crosses and dots within the circles in the slots. These currents establish north and south pole on the rotor and their interaction with the stator north and south poles results in clockwise rotation of armature. With the armature rotation, the conductor cuts the same flux that gives rise to motor torque. This flux cutting action thus causes the generation of EMF in the very same conductor that experience motor action. The generated EMF are indicated by crosses and dots below the circles in the slots using right hand rule. It is seen that the generated EMFs are in direction opposite to the flow of conductor current. Since this generated EMF opposes the flow of current, it is called counter electromotive force or counter EMF. Note that the counter EMF can never be equal to applied voltage. EMF must always be less than applied voltage because direction of current first determines the direction of rotation, then the direction of counter EMF.